The business. What you say, Jenna? Lose it without you. So this first wig came curly like this. It's like a wavy hair texture. It kind of reminds me of Khloe Kardashian. The wig didn't come with bangs, but I couldn't really blend this light blonde with my natural hair, so I did cut bangs. That way it didn't look so fake on me. Also, the hair I thought would be really stringy, and I thought that it would be thin and I wouldn't like it, but the hair is actually really thick, and I decided to straighten it because I just like straight hair more. The waves are pretty, but I like straight hair more, so here's me just straightening it. It took about one run over the hair with the straightener, and I did it in chunks because I'm not patient at all. And this is just how it came out, with one side curly, one side straight. Either way is cute, but for me, I just like straight more. And this hair is like so silky and soft, and it definitely doesn't have like that shiny Barbie texture at all. By the way, if your wigs do have like a shiny Barbie texture, you can just use a little bit of dry shampoo or baby powder to kind of calm the shine down. But yeah, so this is how it looks. Like I said, it's extremely blonde. It's not for everybody. It's probably not even for me, but it's cute just to have to take pictures in or whatever. I'm not really that confident to wear it outside yet, but I did like the way that it looked. It's like a real life Barbie wig, seriously, minus the fake plastic. So I have this link down below under blonde wig, so you know exactly which wig I'm talking about. But yeah, I definitely would give this a try if you want to dye your hair blonde but you're not really committed to burning your hair off like I did a couple of weeks ago. Go ahead and try that out. So this next wig says it's in the color coral, but it's actually like a rose gold color, and this is the packaging. It's so cute, like holographic and pink. I just love the packaging so much. So it came curly, but once again I'm going to show you how it looks straight. Straight out of the package, I thought again it would be stringy, and I thought like the curls I just really wasn't feeling, but once I brushed it out, it definitely was thick and it was really soft, and as you can see, like it was a lot of hair. So I'm just like brushing it through just to show you how it looks once you brush it. I don't really like tight curls at all, so I like to brush through. This is how the lace looks, and this is the color. It has like rose gold, blonde, purple. It's a lot of different colors, but all in all it looks like a rose gold color. And then I'm just showing you like different ways you can wear it. This wig, you can part it anywhere you want. You can part it on the side, down the middle, other side, it don't matter. So I was just showing behind the half up and half down part. There's no track showing, and it's really thick. It looks like real hair. The lace definitely blends it in so good with my hair. So here's just another way you can wear it, and that way's cute with that little top knot type of thing right there. And yeah, it looked really cute curly, but once again I'm gonna straighten it. So I just straightened the wig. I think I'm gonna cut this one probably like a bob. I might record that if you guys want me to, because I don't know why, I'm really into short hair more, so I might go ahead and cut it. But you can just see all of the pretty colors in this wig, and it looks shiny on camera for some reason, but in real life it wasn't shiny at all. That's how it looks on the inside of the cap. There's a lot of room to part it. So right here I just went through really quick and showed you how I blended in with my hair. I'm using some Got2b glued gel and a toothbrush, and I'm just going to blend it into my hairline like this. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. This wig came with some baby hairs, but they were a little bit long, so I went ahead and just cut some extra ones. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I just like to do it to make it look more like how I wear my hair every day. But yeah, so on the middle part, I didn't pluck anything out because I didn't want to mess it up. So yeah, this is how it looks once you got it all blended in. As you can see, like it really blended in so good with my hair. And I did get a little bit of black eyeshadow just to kind of make it blend in more, but you don't need to. I was legit shook because I never ever in my life got a wig to blend that naturally with my hair. Like, my mom was even like, girl, did you dye your hair? I'm like, no, it's a wig. It looked that real. So you can definitely plug more of the hairline if you wanted to, and also around the sides of the hairline. Like I was showing a second, it looks like a little bit thick, but it didn't really bother me too much. I didn't want to mess up the hair, but I'll probably pluck a little bit more framing my face later on. And this is how the hair looks parted to the side. I just needed to get a little bit of concealer and kind of carve out that part line because it's a little bit blended in right now. But anyways, this is the last wig. This one is a human hair and synthetic hair blend. I'll have it listed down below under red hair so you know which one I'm talking about. This is how the top of it looked. This one also came with baby hairs that frame my face, so I really didn't have to do too much cutting. Like literally I put this wig on and it looked like this. I did have to gel a little bit of baby hair down, but not too much. So this is definitely, well, they're all my favorite, but this one is a color that I just love. Like, it reminds me of Krissyy.bee. I don't know why, it just does. Anyways, all of these wigs will be listed down below. Also, Divatress.com will be listed down below where you can get these wigs. Every single one is under $50. So go check them out because these wigs are bomb AF. Like, I love every single one of them. So don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat.